everyone, it's Joni, and today I'm going to be helping you find your planning style so that you can use your planner consistently this year. We've all had those years of buying a new planner, being super excited to use it, and then having the habit fall off after a few months. No shame, I've been there so many times myself, and that's because I didn't have a set purpose or intention of why I was using the planner in the first place. So finding your planning style is the underrated step to using your planner, and I promise you it's going to change your life. All right, let's get started. So why does finding your planning style matter? Why not just dive right into planning? Well, you don't need to have a set direction or style before you start using your planner, but having the flexibility to experiment along the way will help you build your style and planning confidence over time. Consistency is all about showing up, even imperfectly, but having the motivation to be consistent can start with being excited about using your planner. Whether you struggle with using your planner all year long, or maybe you want to level up your planning game this year, you need to have a set intention or reason for using your planner, otherwise you're a lot less likely to use it. To find your why, ask yourself, why did I buy this planner? To achieve my goals, to stay organized, to have a creative outlet? What gaps in my life can this planner help me with? Or in other words, how can my planner help me get to where I want to be in 3, 6, or 12 months? And a bonus question, what materials, tools, or accessories can I leverage to optimize my planner experience? What's great about these questions and about this exercise is that you can always revisit when you're feeling lost in your planner or need to readjust your planning style. Now that you know your why, you can start to identify the style that fits your needs. Minimal planning allows you clear focus on your schedule. If you find yourself being overwhelmed by too much happening on the page, it's the best style for those who want to keep it simple, organized, and clean. Minimal planning involves mostly pen and other writing tools, but that doesn't mean you can't still color code or use your stickers. It's all about taking the basic elements and tailoring to what you need. Decorative planning is for the maximalists that want to use everything from pens, highlighters, stickers, paper, etc. This style is a great way to express yourself creatively. And the best part is you don't need to be artistic to have a decorative planning style. The easiest and most popular way to decorate your planner is with stickers. This is a great way to add art to your planner without having to worry about drawing it yourself. You can also use stickers related to your tasks, or you can stick down whatever appeals to you. There's no wrong way to use them. Functional planning is a style of planning most people think of when they first hear the word planner. Functional planning involves tracking the important tasks in your life that you plan to do, such as scheduling appointments, making to-do lists or shopping lists, setting goals, or tracking habits. This form of planning is the best for those who have busy schedules or need to use their planner to organize their tasks. I personally love using functional planning to write down daily routines and track things like sleep and finances. Memory planning is all about using your planner as a way to document your life or celebrate the things that have already happened. This system is ideal for those who love to journal or have other planners to organize their life. Some common memory planning activities include using your planner as a journal, writing down daily or weekly memories, or collecting daily gratitude. Memory planning can also be great when you miss a week or two in your planner and end up with a blank week, which can happen to all of us. So you can use the blank pages to jot down what you did, where you went, and how you felt. When I first started using a planner, I really struggled to feel connected to it. Yes, it helped me organize, but it felt like a chore almost to use it and use it effectively. But when I started adding a little more me into it with stickers and memories and little reminders, it almost became an extension of my life, and it started to feel a lot more exciting and fulfilling. Which brings me to my other tip. Remember that these styles and systems aren't set in stone. You can always mix and match to find the right planning flow for you. I encourage you to start with a system and adopt the style that feels right for that week. For instance, during a slower week, you might choose to use a more decorative style, filling in your planner with stickers and taking a functional approach to help motivate you to get your tasks done for the week ahead. On a busy week, you may stick to a more minimal aesthetic and use memory planning to reflect on how your week went. Then continue this process until you find your planning style. Now that you've started to find your planning style, I want to share some additional tips to help you use your planner consistently. My first tip is to add habit trackers. Habit trackers not only keep you accountable every day, but they also give you an excuse to go into your planner and check off what you did for each day. Sometimes people simply just get bored with their planner, so if you're bored with your planner really easily, my tip for you is to change your style every quarter. It might seem like a lot, but for those who need a constant change or need to rebrand themselves every now and then, switching it up is going to be a game changer. And finally, give your planner a home and use it in that space. Putting your planner in a spot where you can see it every day will help you develop a habit over time. Personally, I love keeping my planner on my desk, but you can put it on things like your nightstand or even your coffee table. And those are all of my tips to find your planning style and use it consistently this year. With all that being said though, I want you to know that it's okay if you're not as consistent as you want to be with your planner this year. For my perfectionists out there, I see you. I want to challenge you to give yourself the grace and flexibility to embrace imperfection this year. And as always, thanks so much for watching. Be sure to subscribe to Passion Planner for more planner tip videos, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye!